Are you a current renter that's been thinking about buying your first home, but you just aren't sure if you have the money for a down payment? Well, this video is for you. I'm Amy Person. I'm a local realtor serving the western suburbs, specifically the Naperville area, and I make weekly videos on community information, real estate, and driving tours. This one's on first-time homebuyer grants. So if you or anyone you know is looking to buy or sell in the Naperville area, feel free to reach out. Info's below. I'd love to help you out. I've been helping people that have reached out to me through my YouTube channel, just like you. So feel free to reach out. I'd love to help you out. All right, so let's get started on this interesting topic on Illinois first-time homebuyer grant programs. So these programs help you achieve your dream of homeownership and make it become a reality. So if you stick around to the end, I'm gonna give you two actual programs that provide grants for first-time homebuyers in Illinois. Before we get started, we're gonna go over just the details that goes into first-time homebuyer grants. These are amazing opportunities to provide financial assistance to first-time homebuyers in Illinois. These programs can help you with down payment, closing costs, and making the first step into homeownership more affordable. Exploring different grant options. Illinois offers a variety of grant programs tailored to specific needs. From Illinois Housing Department Authority, or the IHDA loan programs, to many big banks offer their own programs for first-time homebuyers as well. There's something for everyone. Remember, each program has their own eligibility requirements and benefits, so make sure you do your research. To qualify for these grant programs, listen up. You usually need to be a first-time homebuyer, meaning you haven't already purchased a home in the past 3 years. Also, you need to meet certain criteria, would be income limits, attend a first-time homebuyer's education course, and the requirements can vary, so it's essentially you make sure you review the specific requirements for each program. Applying for these grants might seem a little daunting at first, but don't fear. Typically, this grant process involves gathering your financial documents, attending required educational programs, and submitting your application. The key is to staying organized and make sure you meet those deadlines so your chances are success of making sure that your application gets approved. So for maximizing your chances, here are some pro tips to boost your chance for securing that first-time grant program. Maintain a good credit score. That's very important. Save for down payment and have a clear understanding of your financial situation. Also consider working with a qualified real estate agent that has worked with first-time homebuyer grant programs, and they can guide you through the process. All right, so I'm gonna give you the two programs that are currently being offered in Illinois for first-time homebuyer grant programs. Okay, the first one is the American Dream program through US Bank. Clients can put down as little as 3% down without the burden of mortgage insurance. This is huge because usually if you put down less than 20% down to buy a home, you have to pay mortgage insurance, or PMI. It's a couple $100s on top of your monthly mortgage payment. The low down payment is great for first-time buyers, so you can save those funds that are needed in the early days of owning your home. The mortgage insurance, including the front premium, is paid by US Bank. This would mean a lower monthly payment. Without mortgage insurance allows the homeowners to afford more home. Assistance in these funds are either $5,500 or 3% of the purchase price up to $10,000, whichever is greater. This would mean less money is needed at closing, with assistance funding that may be used towards down payment, closing costs, required repairs, or minor improvements. There are requirements for this program, of course. There is household income requirements, so please reach out to me and I can connect you with a lender that can educate you about this program. All right, the next one for Illinois first-time homebuyer grants that you're going to want to know about, it is through the IDHA, or the Illinois Housing Development Authority. This is a bond program up to $10,000 that can be attached to a conforming or government FHA or VA program. Payback is not expected until the home is sold, refinanced, or paid off. The IDHA access repayable mortgage. So 10% of the purchase price up to $10,000 in assistance for down payment and closing costs is offered through an interest-free loan repayment monthly over a 10-year period. There is a 30-year fixed rate mortgage with an affordable interest rate, is what they're saying. Available for all mortgage types, including FHA, VA, etc. This is available for first-time and repeat home buyers statewide. Eligibility, household income minimum and purchase price limits do apply. Minimum credit score of 640, so make sure you're keeping your credit score up. Both new construction and existing home sales are eligible for this program. So those are just two programs that I am mentioning. Big banks do offer their own first-time homebuyer program, so look into that if you go to a big bank that you work at. So Illinois first-time homebuyer grant programs, they are a stepping stone to making your dream of becoming a first-time homeowner a reality. I hope you found this video educational and informative. I'd love to help you out in helping you find your first-time home. I'm Amy Pearson. I'm a local realtor. Info's below. I'd love to help you out. Feel free to reach out if you've got any questions. And I've got another great video coming up that I think you'll like, so stick around.